Hey guys, how's it going? Russell here again, and I'm going to show you exactly how I got a 4x ROAS, return on ad spend, using Google Shopping ads for a drop shipping store. And to back up what I just said, as you can see here, this campaign right here is generating a 4.03. We have another campaign generating 4.65, another brand search campaign generating a 23, and so on and so on. I got a couple of new Performance Max campaigns spinning up right now, and I've got some non-winners also in a different segmented shopping campaign. And this is a newer store, so as you can see here, we generated only about 8.7K from this one, from this Google Shopping campaign. We generated 4.4K from this non-winners campaign. And of course, the timeline on this is from May 2nd to August 10th. So now I bet you're wondering exactly how I did this and how to set up a Google Shopping campaign. So let me show you. So of course, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Google Ads Manager, assuming that you have one already. You're going to click this plus button right here. Click New Campaign. Then you're going to want to select Sales. Then, of course, after that, you're going to want to make sure that you only have, for example, purchases selected as your conversion goal. And if you don't know how to set up conversion goals, I will be making another video in the future going over this, but that's beyond the scope of this video. So after that, select Purchases and then click on Continue. After that, what you're going to do, of course, is click Shopping. And your Google Merchant Center will also need to be hooked up as well. So make sure that it's hooked up. Do not select Performance Max. What you're going to do is you're going to click Standard Shopping and of course click Continue after that. Then of course you're going to name your campaign. I usually like to name mine Shopping, the country. So for example, Germany. And then the date, 08/10/23. Then for your bid strategy, this will depend on if you have conversion data in your account or not. But with a new account, I usually like to start with manual cost per click. Uncheck this box, setting an average daily budget of anywhere from 30 to 50 bucks. Let's assume that you are starting on a small budget, so 30 bucks. Let's go ahead and leave the campaign priority to low. Let's uncheck this box. So yes, I like to keep this box unchecked because usually the traffic that comes from the search network is not ideal. I only like to focus on the shopping network when I'm running Google Shopping campaigns. So we just scroll down here. I am in the US, so an important option to select would be presence. So you want to make sure that you're targeting people in or regularly in your target location, not people who have shown interest in your target location, because this is going to target other people outside of your location. You want to make sure that you're a presence. Add group. And for your cost per click bid, I usually like to start with $1. I usually like to start with $1, especially on new accounts, because new accounts tend to not want to spend. So I usually start with $1 and then adjust from there. So guys, of course, after that, you're going to see, you're going to be taken to the product group screen. Click on this plus button right here, Add Subdivision. And what this is going to do is this is going to allow you to select products by their item ID. So you're going to go up to here, you're going to select your item ID. And then, of course, what you're going to want to do is you're going to come down here and select the SKUs that you would like to run in your Google Shopping ads. So if I select the SKU right here, for example, so let's say I wanted to run this product, you would then click Continue to Edit Bids, select your max cost per click, and then click Save. So, of course, let me show you guys exactly how to find the right amount to bid for. So let's go to the Keyword Planner. Let's go to Discover New Keywords. Let's say we're selling a 3D printer. Let's get some results. And of course, as you can see here, we have 368,000 monthly average searches. So this has a lot of searches, and we can work with this. So as we go over here, we can see the top of page bid low range is 30 cents, and the top of page bid high range is $1.49. So when I like to set my bids for Google Shopping, specifically by product, I like to look at the low range. So I will, in this case, if I was bidding on the term 3D printer, what I would do is I would set my bid to, for example, 33 cents or 35 cents. If you want to be more aggressive, of course, you can bump that up to 50 cents, but that's usually not recommended. For an initial Google Shopping campaign, test out low bids just to see which kind of products are going to hit. Then after that, I like to optimize my product pages. Not a lot of people talk about this, but Google Shopping is one of the highest return activities to run your ads on, but you have to make sure that your product page is also, sales able. At the end of the day, if you're running Google Shopping ads and you have a bad landing page, people are not going to convert. Some of them may convert because, again, Google Shopping is one of the highest converting platforms to use. But again, you're going to want to make sure that your CRO, your conversion rate optimization, is dialed in so that you can maximize your revenue and, of course, grow your e-commerce business reliably. After you make sure your bids are right, don't touch anything for 3 to 7 days. Just let your Google Ads campaign pick up. You need to be more patient with Google Ads as compared to, for example, Meta Ads and TikTok Ads, because it takes a little bit to get up and running. But oh boy, once it does start to get up and running, you will be at a 4x ROAS consistently, as long as your funnel is optimized and as long as your Google shopping feed is optimized too. That's another thing that I forgot to mention. Make sure that when you're running these Google shopping ads, you actually go inside of your Google Merchant Center, make sure that you're ranking for the correct titles, making sure that your product images, your Google shopping images are high quality, making sure that you're distinguishing yourself from your competitors. So say for example, if your competitors are all running white background ads, go ahead and run a lifestyle ad for your Google shopping listing. For example, let's take a look. I looked up white socks. What immediately standing out to me is this black background with white socks on it. Not the white background with white socks on it. This black background is sticking out, and the fact that they have 2,000 plus reviews, a lifetime return policy. Yeah, we can see why Bombas is dominating the Google Shopping network right here. So guys, I just wanted to show you how I was able to generate a 4x return on ad spend, ROAS, using Google Shopping ads for one of my e-commerce brand clients that I work with for my agency, RJ Neptune Co. And of course, there will be more videos in the future. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and of course, leave a comment down below. All right, guys, I'll see you later.